It's still howling out there right now, Pat.
Yeah, well, you know what? We were warned.
Yeah, we were.
Amber told us that we could expect the winds, and certainly they arrived.
And the winds are going to be part of our weather story still, even as we head into the next 24 hours. They're just shifting a different direction, and that's because our weather pattern is changing again. So we had a brief warm-up this afternoon because of all those gusty Santa Ana winds last night. Our wind advisories for the gusty Santa Ana winds have expired, but new ones have popped up. So with the winds, that also left us, as I mentioned, warmer and drier. So our high today, 2 degrees above average for downtown LA, coming in at 73 degrees. This is still what it feels like across the Southland. It is still very comfortable. We have temperatures in the low 70s for Van Nuys, for Burbank, for Ontario, for downtown LA. We even had 70s right along the coast for a lot of our beach communities because of the way those offshore winds pick up from the desert blowing toward the ocean. But now that the winds have flipped to more of that sea breeze onshore fashion, we've cooled down right along the coast with temperatures back into the 60s. We are tracking another storm system. This is a low pressure system that's going to slide inland, what we call the inside slider. Usually inside sliders, we really don't see much moisture. We just get a lot more winds. We're still going to see the winds, but this time we do have a chance to get some scattered showers moving into our forecast. So here's a look at all the winds that have picked up. You can see much stronger right along the coast, and that's why we have a wind advisory starting tomorrow morning from Thursday on into 8 p.m. for the coast and valleys of Ventura County, even moving into some of our inland communities like Beverly Hills and Hollywood and also downtown LA. And then some of the stronger winds will take shape early tomorrow morning for the mountains first before those winds pick up in the afternoon near the coast. And that means we could see gusts anywhere from 40 to 45 miles per hour. And with this low pressure system, we also have a deeper marine layer tonight. So patchy drizzle starts off in the morning, and then by the afternoon and also into the evening, those showers really start to pick up anywhere from 1/10 of an inch or less for the coast and valleys. Not a big rainmaker, but it will cool us down overall. And then mountains about 1/3 of an inch, and then snow levels about 1 inch of new snow above 5,000 feet. Take a look at that satellite radar tracker. So the clouds begin to fill in. We start to see a little bit more of that moisture, the activity pick up in the afternoon, lingering with us into the evening, and then also into the early part of Friday. And then by the time we head into the weekend, we are warming up all over again. So after a day of 70s here in the Southland, we're dropping to the 50s and 60s tomorrow, then 60s and 70s on Friday, 70s and 80s starting Saturday into Sunday, and we'll stay warmer than normal through the start of next week. Back to you guys.